Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Phiro Fresh Farms. Guys, check this out. Today, man, we in the garden again, and today, man, we're gonna be looking at our potatoes. Man, we planted some red Irish potatoes for the first time this season. We never done potatoes before, so we're gonna go and show you, man, how it's done, and hopefully, man, we can get a big crop. So let's go do it. Here we go. All right, guys, check this out. So look, the first thing you look for when you're planting potatoes is this. You want to look for the plant looking like it's starting to die. That lets you know, man, that's a sure sign that the plant is it's probably already produced. The potatoes are going to grow. It needs to produce, and it's not going to grow any more potatoes. So this is the thing, man. We look at this plant, you can see things are starting to die off, so that's a good sign. Normally, potatoes takes 100 days, anywhere from 100 to 110 days to make. Right now, man, we are about 20 days shy of the 100 day. But the thing is, the plants are looking like they're ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down and start pulling these things up, and hopefully, man, we got some red potatoes inside the ground. So here we go, let's do it.
1, 0.
All right, guys, first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna go down and pull up I got some hay and some mulch and stuff down here, so I'm gonna go down and peel some of that back just to see if there is some promise in there. Well, I can see one little potato. I hope it got something bigger than that. Let's see. Tell you what, we're gonna go and start pulling them out. All right. Got one. Hopefully they're much bigger than this. Whoa, wait a minute. Did y'all saw what I saw, what I just saw? Did y'all saw what I saw, what I just saw? Let's see. Oh, baby, we see something. Here we go. Let's see what we got in this one. Hopefully there's some more. We got a bunch of ants in there. Another potato. Matter of fact, what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna just go down and pull these up. Oh, wait a minute, what is this? All right. Got some smaller ones. Let's see. And I'm gonna go down and turn this part over and see if something comes up. Nothing. Let's go back on this side. Let's see what we got right here. Let's see what we got. You got it? Uh-oh, okay. Now we look like we're starting to do a little something. So we have, let's see, there's 4 of them so far. Some nice size too. Guess I should just dig right here. I tell you all right now, it's hot, I'm working like a Hebrew slave. All right, here we go. Nothing on that one. Let's see. I guess what we need to do is make sure I'm Oh, man. Y'all see that? Oh. I guess you gotta make sure you turn the ground over too. I can tell you this right here, this is gonna make some good growing for the next crop. Man, look at this right here. I could already see them coming out the ground. All right. Variety of sizes. All right, guys, so check this out, man. We doing our thing with the potatoes, man. I got a few potatoes in there. I think I might have overwatered sometimes. I think I might have overwatered just a few of them because I had some that was kind of soft. But as you can see, they it's some nice size up in here. It's a mix. It's some mixed varieties. But to say for the first time, man, I might not have been going deep enough too. Say it's my first time. Oh, I probably didn't go deep enough. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down and dig up the rest of the bed. Let's see what they got on this one. You know, I saw Mr. Kevin Broussard, he dug up his potatoes the other day. So let's just see what they got here. Got one, another one. But yeah, so we're gonna go down and finish digging the bed up. Man, it's hot. Finish digging the bed up, and then we'll come back and weigh them all and let you know what we got. All right? Thank y'all so much for watching Phiro Fresh Farm.